Prior restraint is the constitutional doctrine that prevents the government from prohibiting speech or publication before the fact. Prior restraint prevents the censored material from being distributed at all, whereas slander and libel provide sanctions after the material has been published. Prior restraint is usually held to be in violation of the First Amendment, which was ratified as a part of the Bill of Rights in 1791. However, in 1798, President John Adams enacted the Alien and Sedition Acts, which were designed to ban any criticism from the Democratic Republicans towards the Federalist government. These acts made any scandalous writing about the United States government a criminal offense. Although these acts clearly went against the First Amendment's ban on prior restraint, the Adams administration successfully persecuted on at least 10 Democratic Republican newspaper editors.
These acts caused great controversy, and with the election of Thomas Jefferson, the acts were left to expire and all those convicted were pardoned. The first notable Supreme Court case to deal with the prior restraint was Neer v. Minnesota in 1931. J. Neer's newspaper, the Saturday Press, was censored by the Minnesota Gad Law of 1925 because it contained material detailing alleged illicit activities of Minnesota's elected officials. The court ruled that Minnesota had no constitutional right to do so. The Supreme Court has made it very clear that it will not tolerate prior restraint of speech or expression, with only a few exceptions, such as the protection of our national security. This decision affects our lives today because during the Iraq War, reporters faced censorship when accompanying soldiers while traveling to the Middle East.